Hi, welcome to Jane Geff Cookery. Today we are going to learn how to make purple cabbage. Come on, follow me and let's get started. Welcome back. Here we will need our purple cabbage. We already have it prepared. These are the ingredients that we need as we prepare our purple cabbage. I already have my chopped purple cabbage. I have the red and green bell pepper. I also have my raisins. The onion is ready, well prepared and chopped. I will also add in some parsley, as you can see. I will also use some thyme as we prepare our purple cabbage, and of course we'll also need salt and oil. So let's fry. I'm frying my onion. And just after one or 2 minutes, I'm adding in my red bell pepper. I'm sure most of you have noticed I love bell pepper. And we stir for some time. You stir. Our onions and bell peppers are ready. I will add in my purple cabbage. I'm adding in my purple cabbage, then I stir. The color looks very attractive, as you can see. So for those who love vegetables, these are very good vegetables to make, especially if you're going through a partial fast or you just want to take vegetables. Now I'm adding in some salt. Then I have my parsley here, just a little for some taste. I have my thyme, half a teaspoon for the sake of probably the family members who to mix with my vegetables. You can see they are getting ready. As you can see, they are really looking colorful. Now we cover our cabbage and leave it for a few minutes. Then it will be ready to be served. Wow. Our vegetables are ready. I'm just going to serve them, and you can enjoy them with rice. Wow. Please try these at home and let me know how it comes out. Wow, now that the cabbages are ready, we can add in the sultana, or some people call them raisins, and these ones are optional. And you add after the cabbage is ready to eat. Then you can mix, just stir it up and ensure that everything is mixed up. Now our cabbages are ready to serve, as you can see, and I'll serve with the rice. Here is the food ready to eat, and my son will really enjoy this. Please try it at home and let me know how it comes out, and if there's anything else you'd want me to show you, please just write at the comment section and let me know. Thank you and